All right, grab your sweatshirts, your colorful scarves, whatever you need to get through your
This one brought a
60-degree
scarf
day.
today. How about Leanne on top of a
I'm very
like a
concerned.
ninja warrior thing?
I'm extremely concerned about Leanne's well-being.
Well, she has a hard time just walking the halls.
Nope, standing
in this
still.
building.
Standing still.
Okay,
Standing
I
still.
gave her too much
Leanne
credit.
could get injured standing still.
I gave her too much
To see her on
credit.
top of that moon bouncing, whatever's about to happen.
This is a hazard.
I'm not super confident in this, but I'm going to watch.
Well, it's like a we could be doing some rubbernecking kind of thing.
Yes, exactly.
There's a likely accident
we need
in
to
our
be
future.
recording this on all different areas.
Yes.
So anyway, you'll see that after times.
All right, well, let's stick around for that. It's going to be fun. Let's talk October. It's October 1st. Average high today is 65. On Halloween, it's 54, though. And the lows go from the 40s to the 30s. Obviously, lose a ton of daylight. And October, over the last 20 or so years, is actually our wettest month of the year. And it's not unheard of to get some snow this month. It does happen, not every October, but in some, it happens. We have cold enough temperatures in a few spots for snow this morning, 30 in Berlin, New Hampshire, and 30 in Holton, but it's crystal clear, so we're obviously not going to see any flakes today. 35 in Freiburg, 39 in Bangor, 42 for Lewiston, 45 in Portland. Burr. It's a little chilly out there. There is a nip in the air. High pressure is building in from Canada. It does have that chill with it and will until Friday morning, and then we start flipping those numbers up, and we'll climb again to 80 degrees or so over the weekend, which is amazing. Now, this ridge of high pressure is protecting the entire East Coast along with this front acting like a force field. And these hurricanes, there's two pretty close together, are going that way. Umberto's not going to affect anything, but Imelda might actually give Bermuda a direct hit late tonight, early tomorrow morning. So that makes everybody a little nervous. Clear and chilly with frosty spots possible in our northern valleys. Mostly sunny, temperatures peak around 60, but there will be a crisp breeze, so it'll feel colder than 60, especially if you're walking on the shady side of the street. So pick the sun. That will help a little bit. We'll have it all the way till sunset, but when that sun is going down, you'll be reaching for layers, at least an extra one, with temperatures falling back into the 50s at the end of the day. We'll hit 60 Bangor today, 63 in Portland, remaining in the 50s, though, for the northern half of the state. And Caribou will be the chilliest of them all at 53. Tomorrow we start with some frost. We end up around 60 with bright sun. Friday morning we start with some frost, but we do recover to 70 in the afternoon. And this high continues to pump the warmth into the northeast. We'll be into the 70s on Saturday, 80 or slightly higher Sunday, Monday, probably Tuesday as well. There's no sign of any rain until the middle of next week. It looks like Wednesday would be our next chance. Imelda, Category 1 hurricane, winds 90 miles per hour, probably becomes a Category 2 within the next several hours, and then early tomorrow morning, it's going to come really close to Bermuda, perhaps giving it a direct hit. Now, we aren't getting direct impacts from those hurricanes, but indirectly, we've got some large swell and large waves, 5 to 7 footers, so there are small craft advisories. North winds at 15 to 20 knots today. Mostly sunny, brisk and cool, low 60s. Tomorrow, frosty, but then we warm up to 60 with sunshine, 70, much better on Friday. And then around 80 Saturday and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday as well. We could see some new record highs. Sunday's record is 81 in both Portland and Bangor. So there is a solid chance that we tie it or perhaps even beat it by a degree or two. Monday, I believe the record was like 83 or 84, so we could come close there as well. Tuesday, the record was 88. I don't think we're getting that hot.
Oh, come on.
Sorry.
Jeez.
That day's going to stink.
Wah, wah, wah. All right,
All right, thanks.